everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to review these newly launched lipstick by Swiss Beauty Select. So they have recently launched their Turn On Glaze Liquid Lipstick and I have been trying it out for past couple of days, have my thoughts ready, what I think about it, whether it is a pass or fail, do you need this in your life or is it worth the money. So you will get all the tea about these lipstick. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. So these lipstick comes in total of 9 shades for the price of rupees 590 each, wherein you get 3 ml of quantity and it expires on 2027. So this is how the packaging exactly looks like. You can see it's mentioned Swiss Beauty Select Turn On Glaze Liquid Lipstick. Now it gives you satiny finish, Hyalurib technology, which I don't know what exactly that means. It also gives you lip voluminizer. Now this is infused with shea butter, vitamin E and argan oil to keep your lips moisturized. It is 100% paraben free, cruelty free and a PETA certified brand. You'll get the complete ingredient list over here and you'll also find some description, some details. So yes, the shade number you'll find on top and bottom of the outer packaging. So this was all about the outer packaging. Now let me show you the inner packaging. This is how it looks like. So it comes in kind of this pale holographic packaging which has a good weight to it, and it is a kind of hard plastic, so it's not going to give you that cheap or inexpensive kind of feeling. The cap is transparent and you'll find the shade name and number on the bottom of the inner packaging as well. Now let me show you the doe foot applicator. This is how exactly it looks like. So you get a slanted flat doe foot applicator on one end, which will help you to line your lips as well as fill your lips, which Swiss Beauty have mentioned on their official website. Now let me give you my thoughts how these lipsticks are. Honestly speaking, I'm really not happy with this lipstick launch because I've never seen Swiss Beauty launching 9 shades in lipstick. Whenever I've bought their lipstick, I had an opportunity to select from 15 to 20 shades, but this time I don't know why they did it. I think it is an unplanned release because they have just released for the sake of it. Next, I really had difficult time selecting a shade for me. There were swatches included, but as you know, what you see in the swatches in picture doesn't give you the entire story. It comes to be completely different shade when it arrives to you. So I would say there were swatches but there were no names mentioned, so I really had to be on the safer side, and for that reason I picked up these 2 shades. The first one is Standout Maroon, which by the name you'll come to know it is a maroonish shade, and the next one is Spiced Brick, which in my idea I thought it would be a terracotta brick kind of shade, a reddish brick kind of shade, which is going to suit my brown skin. But when I received it, when I tried it, it did not suit my brown skin whatsoever. It looks very bad. It washes me off. Even if I line my lips, it just washes me off very badly. And then they say that it gives you satiny finish. I would say that totally depends upon the shade that you select, because this Standout Maroon doesn't have too much of satiny finish, or you can say sheen or glossiness going on as compared to Spiced Brick. So you really have to be mindful while selecting your right shade. Next, they say that it gives you lip voluminizer, which I totally disagree. It doesn't provide you anything of that sort. Though it feels very lightweight, it applies very smoothly. The colors are well pigmented. The shades are really very saturated, so if you have pigmented lips, it is going to cover all that. Now when I saw this lipstick for the first time, I thought that this could be a similar dupe to Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick, but when I received it, when I tried it, I thought it is not even close to that. But I've seen Mars Cosmetics launching their Cine Magic lip glosses and I'm very much interested in trying it out because it is 100% transfer proof and smudge proof. So if you guys are interested me to review that, please let me know in the comments. Whereas these are not transfer proof, it is not smudge proof, it is not crisp kiss proof whatsoever. So I did a wear test with this lipstick the other day. Like, it's been lying with me for about a week, and I thought I'll try it out on Raksha Bandhan day. At 12 noon I applied the shade Standout Maroon, and I just forgot about it. At 3 p.m. I remembered, oh, I had applied a lipstick which I am doing a wear test about. So I thought I will do a kiss proof test. When I did, I saw it transfers very badly, you guys. And when I finished my meal, I saw that the lipstick was all over my mouth. Like, it came up from the outer perimeters of the lips, which I felt is very bad. So if you are having your meals, your oily food, you really have to be careful with these lipsticks. Next, they have also mentioned that it gives you a beautiful, even, saturated after tint, which I would totally not agree. It does leave a tint behind, but it is very uneven and patchy, because once you have finished your meal, you will come to know that, you know, there is some amount of tint here, some amount of tint there. Also, it is made with Hyaluronic lip technology, which they say that it blurs your fine lines on the lips. I would not agree to that point also, because after I have applied this lipstick, I kept for some time, I could see my lip lines. It doesn't give you that blur kind of effect whatsoever. Also, these does contain fragrance, and I did compare these lipstick to Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick, which I have shown in the swatches, so that you'll have a fair idea. Next, the lipsticks are not worth 590 rupees, which I think is a lot of money when it comes to Swiss Beauty's end, because Swiss Beauty is an affordable brand. Though they have launched this select range, which is their, you know, upgraded range, but still they could have kept the price minimal. 590 I will never ever pay, just because I'm a content creator. I like to create and review products for you guys, because makeup is my life. It is my breath, you guys. So for that reason, whenever I see makeup that is worth the money, and Swiss Beauty is one of my favorite brands, so I had a lot of hope about these lipstick, and it failed miserably. So I would not recommend you getting these. If you're interested, you can get it at your own risk, and yes, for that reason I would say it is a total fail for me. Now is the time to get into the swatches. I'll give you the swatches with and without makeup. Also, I'll give you some close-up, some kiss tests, so you can have a fair idea how these lipsticks are actually. So let's get started. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.